So, people are telling me to make separate channels for gaming, poetry, fitness, anime, wrestling, writing, and every one of my hobbies. Bro, I am not a plastic corporate content SEO, culture, social media creator strategist. I will not be making just gaming, just para lifting, just para literature, just para rants, just para podcast, just eats KFC while crying, just listens to Mamamoo, just hates Dongwa, or anything like that. Everything goes into this one channel because this is not a business empire. This spam maxing. So if you subscribe to me, you're entering my full psychological damage battle because I've given up on life. And you will experience everything here from deadlifts, fairy tales, wrestling rage, anime, my MMO suffering, my emotional poetry, and sleep deprivation, and my depression. This is not branding, man. This is just surviving in this modern age.